Hey, Handyman Dan here with You Can Build This, and here are 3 tips to help your roses survive the hottest parts of the summer. We've got quite a few climbing roses in our garden. We've got 3 on our trellis, and we've got 2 more on our fence. Between these roses, we've got 2 different types. This red one behind me, called Don Juan, is a great cut flower rose, meaning you can put it in a vase. The other one we have at our fence, called Arbor Rose Laguna, is a great one for just massive clusters of flowers. First, you want to make sure to deadhead. This will get rid of all the spent or dead blooms and help the plant focus its energy on growing. One with long canes, we just want to go down and cut right above the first stem that has 5 leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you have this type, some of these blossoms haven't bloomed yet, so I don't want to cut these all out. I'm just going to snip right below the bud. This will allow all the nutrients to go to the other blossoms. Over the summer months, these rocks tend to go down into the hole, so I just need to get them cleaned out a little bit. The second tip is to fertilize. I love using the liquid fish fertilizer from Heirloom Roses. It smells horrible, like literally it makes me want to vomit. But it does wonders, as you can see here. I'm going to mix 4 ounces per 1 gallon. So I just took an old milk jug. I have a dedicated garden measuring cup. I'm just going to pour 4 ounces, which is half of a cup, into this 1 gallon. I found that if I cut the top off, it is much easier to pour this stuff. And this solution will feed 2 roses. Oh wait, before we get into tip number 3, make sure to sign up for our weekly email, where we share even more tips, tricks, and builds with you. You can find the link to it in our description. Now I'm just going to spread a thin layer of mint compost around the base of the plant. Mint compost does a few things. First, it helps keep your plant cool. Second, it helps with water retention. Third, it helps to naturally repel aphids and spider mites. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.